Hi guys, it's Kerry here from Kerry on Dancing. I hope you're all having a good week. I'm going to teach you some choreography today for another fun dance called Blame It on the Boogie. We posted this on our Instagram and Facebook pages and it got lots of likes, so I thought you might like to learn the choreography. The version of the song that I use is from the 1980s. It's by a group called Big Fun. I think there are some other versions out there, so if you want to dance our version, it's Blame It on the Boogie by Big Fun, okay? There's 4 sections to the dance: a verse, a chorus, an instrumental, and like a bridge section. The bridge, they just sing something different to the verse and the chorus, and it's not an instrumental. So 4 sections, and you just need to learn the order that they go in once you've learned the steps, okay? So we're going to start with the chorus because it's nice and easy. Your feet are going to go side, close, side and tap, side, close, side and tap. And at the same time as doing that, you're going to get a big sunshine with your right arm and a moonlight with your left arm. Okay, so you're going to travel to the right and it goes, don't blame it on sunshine, don't blame it on moonlight. Then we get, don't blame it on good times, and our arms go, don't blame it on good times, don't blame it on the boogie. Roll your shoulders and arms. And then we repeat, don't blame it on sunshine, don't blame it on moonlight, don't blame it on good times, blame it on the boogie. Okay, that's your chorus. So every time they sing those lyrics, that's the steps you're doing. The next part is the verse. Now there's 2 options you can do for the verse. You can do a more high intensity version, which I will show you second, or you can do this low impact version. If you want to go with a low impact version, you're just going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy to the right, shimmy to the left. Okay, so it's just kick and close with your feet there. Kick, down, for an 8, a count of 8 and a count of 4, so altogether 12. All right, if you want to up the tempo slightly, which is what we do, you can replace those kicks for a kick, down, tap, kick, down, tap, kick, down, tap, kick, down, tap. So you just add a bit of a bounce to it, okay? Again, it's for an 8 and a 4, and then you shimmy to the right and shimmy to the left at the end. So if I just do that section for you with the kicks and the bounce, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy to the right, shimmy to the left. There you go. The second half of the chorus, we do a grapevine to the right. We get and side, behind, side and tap, side, behind, side. One more to the right, behind, side. Stand on that foot this time instead of tapping it. And then you're going to shimmy to the right and shimmy to the left again. All right. So just, I'll dance that grapevine without stopping. You get and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and stand, shimmy to the right and shimmy to the left. Okay, so the verse all is one thing, the kicks and the grapevine. So you get and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shimmy to the right, shimmy to the left, grapevine to the right, tap, grapevine to the left, tap, grapevine to the right, stand, shimmy to the right, shimmy to the left. There you go. That is your verse. So verse and chorus done. We're going to move on to do the I Just Can't Control My Feet, which is the bridge section. So again, there are 2 options. You can just do the feet in time to the rhythm by pointing. So you get point and close, point and close, point, 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 close, point and close, point and close, point, point, point. Timing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's the low impact version. Or you can again add a little bit of a weight change and a bit more movement in there, so you get 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, a 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, that happens when they sing I Just Can't Control My Feet. See what I did there? It goes, I just can't, I just can't, I just can't control my feet. I just can't, I just can't, I just can't control my feet. Again, I just can't, I just can't, I just can't control my feet. I just can't, I just can't, I just can't control my feet. Boom, there you go. That is actually a dance taken from cha-cha-cha, or a step taken from cha-cha-cha. It is called a Cuban break. In cha-cha-cha, you dance it on the count of 2, 3, 4, and 1. But for the purposes of this dance, we're dancing it on 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so otherwise known as a Cuban break. Now, the final little bit is when there's an instrumental in the music. So there's no words, and I've taken it from Saturday Night Fever. Bit of John Travolta coming up, okay? Now there's two things, there's arms and there's feet. So you can just do one. If you can't get them both together, that is absolutely fine. You can just do the arms or you can just do the feet. Now, if you're gonna just do the arms, you're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, change, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, change, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, change, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, change. Okay, that on its own is 4 lots of 8. Okay, if you want to add the feet are going back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. So you just change weight on the front and back. You go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, change, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, change. Move it. Up, down, up, down, up, change. Hello wall, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that happens for 4 lots of 8 on the instrumental. I'll just do 4 of them for you so you can practice it all together. You get and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, that's worn me out. Okay, so that is the final part you need to learn. So basically you just need to remember the order that the steps come in. Okay, so we get, I will write it in the comments below or in the description below for you so you know, but you get verse, nope, sorry, you start with a chorus, it starts Blame It on Sunshine. You get chorus, verse, followed by I Just Can't Control My Feet, followed by chorus, I think, yes, followed by John Travolta, followed by verse, I think, and then chorus, and away we go. All right, to the end with just the chorus taking us through to the end. All right, like I said, I will write that in the comments below for you. There will be a second video with me and Lauren dancing it, so if you would like to join in with me and Lauren and the music, please watch that video. Get your party shoes on, get your mates up to dance, get it on the TV so you can see us nice and big. All right, hope you have a good weekend, guys, or a good week. Don't know when you're going to be doing this, could be any time, so enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.